In this video, we're going to be catching you up on all of our plotting and planning for the last month or so, telling you about some of our news, what's been happening in our lives, and also a little bit of a bonus at the ends. So do wait and see. Hello Keto Bonitos and fasting friends, I'm Liz. I'm a clinical holistic therapist, a yoga and meditation teacher, and myself and my husband have embarked on a keto and intermittent fasting lifestyle. Firstly and foremostly to save my husband's life from type 2 diabetes. We've got news on that later. And so if you want to hear more about our exciting adventures, our mistakes, our triumphs, then please do this.
Subscribe, and click on the bell.
Hello everybody, it's Liz here. It's lovely to see you all again. Thank you for joining me. I just wanted to sort of sit here, have a cup of tea, and fill you in on a few things really that have been happening. This last month has been a very emotional one. We've had to say goodbye and good luck and on his way to our lovely son Oscar, who's gone to university. He's now 5 hours away, which for a mother, I'm sure you can understand those parents out there, and for people who love each other, it's very difficult to be that far apart. But he seems to be doing okay. We had a very long drive, and there was a couple of days of long drives and taking him and packing and all that. So it's been very, very emotional seeing him off to university. This week is also hugely important because Skatz will find out this week whether or not he has actually reversed his type 2 diabetes with his fabulous keto and intermittent fasting lifestyle. So can't wait for that. There will obviously be a very big video all about that. Whether he has or he hasn't, it doesn't make any difference. We want to keep you informed. So for those of you who understand about the Irish system, we've had to go on to some welfare payments because we're self-employed, and all of our employment has just poof, vanished thanks to the COVID-19 virus. We've had to be being very careful, squirreling our money away and making sure that we've got enough money to get us through the winter, because we can have some harsh winters here from wind and storms and rain, and so it does get a little bit cold here, but we've got enough fuel for the fire, which is now burning over there really beautifully, and also we have enough oil in our tank, so things are good on that score. We just have to be a little bit more frugal. So with that in mind, we've come up with a few plans and we've been plotting away to see how we can make money in other ways. This channel is one of them, and eventually once we reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, we will be monetized, and then all the adverts in the videos will provide us a little bit of an income. So that's fantastic. Thank you, YouTube. We're looking forward to that day. Keep subscribing and keep watching all of the videos right through to the end, because it really does help us. So we have decided to set up a Patreon account. Now we have to be very careful about this because right now we're not allowed to earn any money outside of our welfare payments. Hopefully in the next week or so, the government here are going to be announcing, I hope so, that we can earn a little bit of extra money on top of our welfare payments until the bigger work starts to come back in. So we have embarked on a Patreon account. Patronage has been the norm for centuries when it comes to artists. Shakespeare had a patron, and all these sort of famous artists over the years have had patrons of some sort, and YouTube have set it up so that you can link in with Patreon now, and we have set up a page, and I'm hoping that you will be able to support us in our journey. What happens is you give a little bit of money every month and we give you something in return. So it may be different footage that you don't get to see on YouTube, emails and support. I'm even thinking of doing meditation and yoga classes online with people, right the way up to Skatz and I writing you a personalized song. So keep your eyes peeled for the Patreon video that we're going to be announcing everything that we're doing and all the tiers, how much you pay. It'll be wonderful. Now, those observant ones of you will have noticed in the description below that there are now affiliate links. What are affiliate links, I hear you asking? Right, okay. Affiliate links is where we have something that we own, like the laptop that's sitting in front of me, the phone that I'm actually recording on right now, the microphone that I've got down here, even things like salt lamps, our hiking boots, my fabulous new Tilly hat, which I can't wait to show you. And all of these things can be linked in with an affiliate. So what basically we have to do is we put the link underneath in the description, and you get to click on it, and if you do and then you buy that item, we get a little bit of a commission. Now, don't think that affects the price, because I can assure you it doesn't. You may even get a discount for clicking on our affiliate links. Good stuff. Shopping, I love shopping. Now here is the big bonus. I'm so excited to be telling you about this. We have come up with a fantastic idea to collate all of our research, all of our knowledge, all of our mistakes, everything that we've learned over the last few months, and we've put it into a new year plan. So if you wanted to join us, and we can give you support and help you with recipes and all sorts of things, give you the benefit of our experience, then please look out for the New Year plan, which will be coming out hopefully at the beginning of December, and we'll all start doing keto and fasting together. Won't that be fun? Fabulous stuff. So that basically is all of our news and exciting things that we've been planning. I've got a website on the way as well, so keep your eyes peeled for that. What else have we been up to? We're still doing a lot of walking, and I have to say that my weight has kind of plateaued a little bit, but in the near future we are planning one of our monthly prolonged fasts. We love doing prolonged fasts. Skatz has done way more than I have. I've done a 48-hour and a few 24-hour ones along the way, but this time we intend to go for 96 hours. That's 4 days, possibly 5. We'll see how we're feeling. So we're currently in the process of preparing for that. Now, obviously, when we're doing a prolonged fast, we do actually need to prepare quite well. You need to make sure you've eaten all the food in the fridge so it doesn't go off, and also then you need to make sure that you've fed yourself well and making sure that we're doing it right from the beginning. That's our key thing. So our prolonged fast hopefully will start next week sometime. We'll keep you posted, don't worry, and we're videoing the whole time just to make sure that you get to see what we're doing. So this has just been a little teeny video. I hope that you're all very well out there and staying safe. Ireland has been locked down a little bit further, so we're having to keep to ourselves a little bit more. So anybody who's watching from Ireland, hello! And everywhere around the world, we just love to hear from you. So please comment in the comment sections below. Give us a like, look at those links, see if you fancy anything to buy, because what else is there to do in lockdown? In the meantime, take care of yourselves and each other, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.